This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, March 6th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the infrared satellite image from last evening. A large band of moisture and clouds east of the state from the Gulf of Mexico into the Ohio Valley, the eastern Great Lakes into Canada, with another batch of clouds from the Oregon-California coast into the Rockies. The watch warning map shows flood and flash flood watches along the Appalachian Mountain Range with snow advisories up in New York State and west of the state in Nebraska into the Dakotas and the Rockies. Here's the QPF chart. This is for the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock. This shows at least a half an inch of liquid precipitation will be possible over the next 5 days, with heavier amounts close to an inch in the western and southwestern counties. Now here is a model forecast of snowfall over the next 5 days through Thursday evening. This light blue band from near Carroll and Denison toward Omaha is upwards of 8 to 10 inches. I'm thinking it'll be a little bit less than that. But here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at noon today. And you can see trough just to the east, zonal flow pretty much over the rest of the country. Down below, you can see a few flurries are moving into the northwestern counties, so some flurries are possible, mainly north of Highway 20 through the daylight hours on Sunday into Sunday night. Here's Monday at noon. You can see there's that snow again, or light snow over the state. Most likely will amount to nothing more than a few flurries or some light snow showers. The accumulations will be light, if any. But by Tuesday at noon, you can see here comes the trough with the vortex over the northern parts of the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. And that's going to bring some interesting weather. Here comes a low pressure forming near Childress, Texas. Moisture will be moving in from the Gulf of Mexico, and the 540 line will be over southern Iowa, so some snow with possible rain-snow mix or freezing rain possible by then. We move ahead. This is Thursday evening. The low is now moved to about Oklahoma City, the 540 line from Dubuque to about Omaha, so you can see some rain over the south, snow over the north. We move ahead to midnight. That low is now moved to between Kansas City and Kirksville. Most of the eastern counties will see some rain. Northern counties, rain, snow mix, and snow. We move ahead to Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. That low is about over Burlington. Snow will be flying over the western counties with rain or a mix in the east. By noon Wednesday, that low is now over about Madison. Colder air moving in. All the precipitation will be changing to a light snow. So you can see why the heaviest snow would be in that area. And by Thursday at midnight, the snow is ending and it's all over with. So there's that storm. We move ahead to Saturday. Here comes a trough over the western and northwestern Great Lakes. That will bring a cold front through the state here, but it will be dry, maybe a flurry or two, but Arctic air is going to come right back into the state, so some cold and breezy conditions next weekend. We go out into Voodoo Country. This is St. Patrick's Day, the 17th, and here's that storm we've been looking at. Wavy pattern over the country, and here's a trough over the center of the country. Down below at the surface, that looks quite stormy, possibly some snow also in that, with the 540 line in the vicinity in western Iowa, so we'll have to look at that. And at the end of the forecast period on March 21st, another trough. This one is much larger, deepening over Texas and Oklahoma. Down below, low pressure over Oklahoma with another low up in Manitoba and Ontario, so that could be of interesting notes by that point. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.